Air France, founded in 1933, through the merger of several French aviation companies, became the national carrier of France. After World War II, it expanded its global reach and introduced transatlantic routes. In the following decades, Air France grew by acquiring modern aircraft and pioneering long-haul flights. In 2004, it merged with Dutch airline KLM to create Air France KLM, one of the world's largest airline groups. Today, Air France is known for its extensive international network, with operations in Europe, the Americas, Africa, and Asia. It remains a major player in global aviation.